All right, so now we come to the final closing session of the AdBlocker Developer Summit 2021. Some closing thoughts before we say goodbye. Just to sum up some of the things that we've sort of mentioned and learned today. Um, Acceptable ads, we talked about this and how it has positively shaped the online ads ecosystem over the years. It's been 10 years and it's made quite a difference in terms of the kind of ads that we see. There's still a lot of work to be done, as we know, but it's done a lot of positive change. We also peeked into DNS-based content filtering. We saw how big of an issue CNAME cloaking is and how it has grown over the years. That was really fascinating to see. We also talked about how if we don't have good ads, then what are the consequences? Like, for example, more subscription-based content, leaving a large portion of the people out of consuming good content. We saw all the good work that Fanboy and other filterless authors are doing to keep EasyList and other filter lists in shape. We took a look at research into machine learning-based approaches to ad filtering. We saw the future of content blocking in Firefox, and also they mentioned about the web extensions community group, which I would encourage everyone over here to join and contribute to. We saw how important the current court case is on the future of not just ad blocking, but on the entire future of the internet, really, and how it could potentially, what it could mean for browsers going in the future. We saw the story behind CSS has, something hugely demanded by web developers for 20 years, and now there's finally a ray of hope of it coming to browsers. We looked at the future of advertising and the challenges ahead. We took a look at how filter rule generation as a reinforcement learning problem, how that is. We had multiple talks about browser fingerprinting, how much of an issue it is on the web today. We also took a look at how bad ads are affecting our society. And finally, we saw from Josh how Chrome is doing a lot of work in ad tagging and detection. Before we say goodbye, I want to say thanks to Nora, without which this event would not happen. Paul for the great moderation, Joe for being such a great MC for this event, all the people from Fizz Marketing, Michelle, Simon, and more who made this event all happen behind the scenes, Suzanne, who helped so much on the organization, Isabella and Peter, who worked on the amazing graphics, Alexandra and Catherine, who worked on the promotion for the event. Thanks to Jutta for being such an amazing keynote. All the speakers for all the amazing talks. We'll be putting all the talks on the YouTube. Keep an eye on the eyeo YouTube channel. And once again, thank you, all of you, for making this a great event, and see you next year. Bye.